The Dubai real estate market in 2024 was a phenomenal year. What does that mean for 2025? Here's what I think. So 2024, for those that have been looking at the market here in Dubai, would have seen that it has been an exceptionally good year for both levels of transactions, number of transactions, both on the resale and off-plan market, but also where the value of transactions has been very much higher than any other year so far in Dubai since the early 2000s when we started selling property here. Although 2024 has been a phenomenal year for anybody involved in the property market, whether they be investors, real estate agents, or developers, etc., I don't see any decrease in that demand going into 2025. I'm having conversations, it used to be one a day, now it's even as much as 2 or 3 a day, with overseas residents, people who have visited Dubai or have not visited Dubai in some cases. They might come here on holiday, they might have been to a nice Jumeirah hotel or something on the Palm, but now they are looking at relocating their businesses, their families, their entire property portfolio from places like Europe, UK, North America, Canada, and Asia, where they are seeing the writing on the wall in terms of higher taxation, more legislation, penalizing of successful businesses, capital gains taxes, inheritance taxes. So they are very much attracted to what has been happening in Dubai over the last few years, with a far more open door policy from the government, where they are setting their stall out to make this an extremely welcoming place for people wanting to invest here. We've already seen a growth in the population of Dubai over the last few years, and I think that is going to continue. The government themselves have set a target to reach 5.8 million people in the next 16 years. We're now at about 3.8, and that sounds to anybody outside this country as being a very ambitious target. But if you calculate, since I've been here since 2003, there were just 1 million people here. And here we are in 2024 with 3.8 million. So what's that? Almost 4 times the population in the space of just 21 years. It's less than double their expectations in the next 16 years. I see no reason why they won't meet their target, or at least get very close to their target, if not exceed it. So with more people coming into the country, more businesses opening here, more reasons for companies to move their operations here, and therefore you will have a greater demand on property. One of the segments to where we're seeing a lack of supply is in the luxury segment. And I'm not saying that everybody who's moving here has got the money to spend $2, $3, $4, $5 million on a property. But as those people do come into the country, you will see a flow of people who have got maybe $1 million to $2 or $3 million coming into the market and taking up some of the more affordable properties. So I think the whole market is going to see an increase in demand, which is probably better than I saw at the end of 2023, to be honest. I'm seeing a lot more demand now than I was at the end of 2023. So I'm very encouraged by the conversations that I'm having. I think the other thing you're going to see is, although I'm not involved in the commercial market, offices, etc., I think we're going to see an increase in demand in office space. Our commercial department is already seeing a lack of grade A commercial property here in Dubai. The more commercial offices that are taken up, the more offices and companies that move here and demand that commercial property, it must mean that there's more residential property required. Dubai has seen a very robust tourism market in the last 12 months, and there doesn't seem to be any let up in that. The world is looking to visit Dubai. We are seeing visitors coming here for the very first time from places like North America and Canada, where maybe in the past they would not have even considered the location as being a holiday destination. But we are definitely seeing that. And I'm also seeing a lot of people from the Southern Hemisphere, via Australia, New Zealand, etc., who are looking to buy and invest here in Dubai. This increase in tourism is also a driver for short-term or holiday lets, people buying investment properties here that would be good for holiday lets. All these very positive things in the economy and in tourism and in commercial world is going to have a very positive effect on the property market here in Dubai. If you need any help with off-plan property in Dubai, please get in touch. All my contact details are in the description below.